What would you do if your neighborhood suddenly lost electricity for days? Would you know where to find clean water, prepare meals, or keep your family comfortable? Being prepared isn't about fear, it's about having a plan before you need one. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring an emergency preparedness guide that's designed to help people think ahead. Instead of reacting during a crisis, the goal is to build simple habits and organize essential supplies before an emergency happens. Whether you're new to preparedness or just looking for practical ideas, this overview is for you. The guide introduces several preparedness topics, including creating a family emergency checklist, storing food and drinking water responsibly, preparing for extended power outages, understanding backup lighting options, organizing important emergency supplies, building confidence through practical planning. These ideas aren't just for extreme situations. They can also be useful during storms, natural disasters, or unexpected utility interruptions. One of the biggest advantages of being prepared is peace of mind. When you already have a basic plan and essential supplies organized, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed if something unexpected happens. Preparedness is about making thoughtful decisions today that could make tomorrow a little easier. Even small actions, like checking emergency supplies or discussing a family meeting place, can make a meaningful difference. Emergency preparedness doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Learning practical skills, organizing your essentials, and having a plan are steps that almost anyone can take over time. If you'd like to learn more about what this preparedness guide covers, you'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on preparedness, self-reliance, off-grid living, and practical everyday skills. Thanks for watching, stay informed, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.